Hello, once again, this is Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures, and today I'm going on another great adventure. I got to work tonight, so I'm going to get this done and be back home and change in time to go to work. It's like 12 o'clock now, and I should be back by and the time to get dressed and go to work. But I'm wearing the appropriate shirt. I'm wearing my 80s rock Hawaiian shirt. And today I'm going to a meet and greet and get autographs. I've got a couple items to get signed. I'll show you my haul at the end. But it's an 80s rock group called Stryper. It was a religious rock band in the 80s. They were all over MTV. They had the famous album called To Hell with the Devil. So I get to meet all four of them and get their autographs today. It's at a winery up in Sunbury, PA. So I'm going up there. I can't stay for the concert because I got to work, but the concert would have been another $100 on top of the $110 or $20 I already paid for the meet and greet. I seen them before back in 1987 down in Cincinnati, Ohio at Bogart's, and they were really popular back in the day. So follow me on this adventure as I go meet Stryper, the rock band, religious rock band, up in Sunbury, PA. So follow me. Well, folks, this might be one of the shortest videos I ever did. Got back from the meet and greet, Stryper meet and greet, and unfortunately I wasn't allowed to film the meet and greet because of copyrights, but I did get all my stuff autographed. Met the guys, really nice guys. His wife was really nice. I met her, Michael Sweet's the lead singer of Stryper's wife, and got everything signed. Amazingly, almost didn't get the guitar signed, but because the security there at the winery is so tight, they don't want you carrying that down because they said it could be used as a weapon. But luckily, with Robert's wife's help, I got it signed. So yeah, so I took a picture with the band. I'll show you that on my phone. Hope you can see that really good. Kind of hard to see. And got some stuff autographed, and this was my VIP pass here for Stryper that I got to wear in my lanyard. And they were handing this out as a gift at this meet and greet, and this don't happen very often that they actually give these away. This is a New Testament Bible, a Stryper Bible, and they actually signed the inside for me, the band members. So that's nice of them to give us that. There was 35 of us at the VIP. There's maybe 300 people there altogether, but there's 35 of us that paid for the VIP. We also got this photograph for free here, and I got it signed by all four band members. Oz almost didn't make it because he wasn't feeling well, but he showed up. Thank God he showed up. I was able to get all my autographs. Then I got this album off of Amazon, To Hell with the Devil. It's from the 80s. It was brand new. I got it, so I was lucky it's in this good a shape. We got all four signatures of the band members, and I'll open it up, show you they were famous for the yellow and black. That's what they wore. Religious rock band. There's a picture of them on the back of the album in their yellow and black famous outfits. And I didn't know this, but I guess C.C. Seville from Poison almost was one of the Stryper members, but the only reason he didn't like the black and yellow, and he refused to wear the black and yellow, and that's the only reason that he didn't join the group. The two brothers started it, Michael and Robert Sweet, and they're still touring today. They were having a concert there tonight, but unfortunately I couldn't stay. I had to work, plus it was an extra $100 besides what I paid for the meet and greet, and that was $120. But it's one of my favorite 80s rock bands, religious rock bands. And then this is my prized possession here. I love this. I got this guitar off of Amazon. It's yellow and black, same color as a Stryper. I got the I found this guitar strap with a cross on it, and this sticker here, Stryper, Isaiah 53:5, with the stripes were healed. And there's Oz's autograph, and there's Robert's, and I'm pretty sure this is Michael Sweets, and then this is the other band member, Perry Richardson, which just joined them maybe 10 years ago. So yeah, it was a 2-hour drive for me up in Pennsylvania here at the winery in Sunbury, PA, and 2 hours back, but it was well worth it. So like I said, this is a short video, but I wanted to show you my haul and what I got, and I enjoyed myself. I was only there for about an hour. Got my autographs and left, and the rain held up. Thank God that I didn't want my guitar to get wet in the rain, so that was a plus. So if you're watching this, I ask you please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave comments, suggestions of other things you'd like to see in the future. And there's a lot more coming. I'm gonna do some Halloween videos soon, and there's a couple conventions I'm going to, so keep following me. Pass the word around to your friends and family about my channel, and I appreciate your support. So once again, this has been Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. Till next time, goodbye.